Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at one of the most important memory techniques called mind map. Do you know why this is called mind map? Look at these pictures. There is some central idea, then there are branches, and then there are sub branches, and there is some text written over here. There are some pictures, drawings, some information, some graphics, everything like this. So you can make a mind map of any information you want to remember, make a mind map. Why? This is how our mind works. Remember, our mind, our brain, our memory is associative. It's not linear like a computer. So our mind works in this way. It works, it connects, it remembers in a sequential, not a sequential, but in a associative way. So you can, and remember, you can make it colorful, you can make it very rich, you can put pictures in it, and you can even have connections like this from here back to here. You can have whatever connections you want. There is no restriction here, right? You can draw it on a paper, or my favorite way is this software, Coggle.it. Now, I have looked at many different mind mapping softwares, huge number of them I have looked at. And what I found best was Coggle.it. It's free. Almost all features are free. If you want little advanced features, then you need to pay. It's like $5 per month. It's not much. I have paid for a full year. They have done a really good job. And then you can make inner, mind maps like this. These are inner labs techniques, and all these techniques are put here. Now, I could put pictures in this. I could make this bigger. I could change its color. I could join this branch to that branch. I could do whatever I want. Looks really nice and neat. This is another one. See, I have a central idea, think fast, learn fast, grow fast. And then I have several different things that are included in inner labs, right? And each of them have sub branches. These are very easy to maneuver, very easy to create, very easy to move around. So I am a big fan of software Coggle.it. I hope you will also take a look at it. And if you like it, buy it. But if you don't, that's okay. You can also use it for free. Lots of features are available. And you can also try many other softwares that are out there. Coggle.it is just one of them. Many are available. I've tried many, but this was the best I found for my taste. Remember, mind works this way. And that's why you need to create mind maps of information. Our mind does not like dull, drab, usual, boring information. It wants interesting information. So if you arrange it in a nice way, in one shot, you have such a large amount of information in just one picture. Now, you can put this mind map inside Anki Droid software and use it to recall information. You can use it, you can use memory techniques, other memory techniques to create a better mind map. You can create a mind map of memory palace, right? You can place some things in a sequence. All that is absolutely possible. Mind map is a very versatile tool. There are lots of options available. I hope you will take advantage of mind maps and start arranging your information in different sorts of mind maps. This is Dr. Ninad from Inner Labs.